Hi, my name is Johan Mitch, and this is a week in my life as an Emilian student. This whole week is very tiring but memorable. I will describe my week as a joyful dream. Ang na-discover ko about myself this week is kaya ko palang pagsabi-sabihin ng lahat. Yan din kasi ang pinaka-challenge sa akin. Why? Kasi sa araw-araw na ang dami-dami kong ginagawa. Nag-aaral, nag-edit about school, responsibilities sa bahay and all na kaya ko siyang gawin lahat. Siguro ang nabuo kong skills na related sa strand ko na humanities and social sciences is yung pagiging observant. This week as a student was both fulfilling and tiring. I had several tasks and activities that tested my time management and patience. There were moments when I felt stressed, especially when deadlines were close. But I learned how to prioritize my work and stay focused. And that's my week as a student. Thank you so much for watching, listening, and I'll see you soon in my next vlog. Bye-bye!
Hi, I'm back again, and this is a week in my life as an American student. This whole week is a very memorable week. I will describe my week as fulfilled. This week, I discover myself na creative pala ako. Nakaya ko pala mag-isip ng mga bagong idea. Challenge rin kasi sa akin yan dahil minsan yung mga fresh ideas ko ay binabaliwala ko lang before at parang minamalit ko ang sarili ko mismo mga gawa. Ang pagiging creative rin ang nabuo kong skills na related sa strand ko na humanities and social sciences. Max? Week, mas na-express ko mismo ang sarili ko sa ibang tao. Naipakita ko rin ang mga sides ko na minsan ayokong ipakita kasi feel ko masyado na akong OA. OA? But kidding aside, na-enjoy ko tong week na to, lalo na kasama ko rin yung mga friends ko na pare-parehas na lang din kami nagkakasawaan. Charis. But anyways, I love this week. Hindi siya masyadong torture unlike the other weeks na masyadong OA sa torture. Kasi mas na-enjoy ko talaga to ngayon. Na para bang wala na akong pake sa paligid ko, basta masaya ako sa ginagawa ko at wala akong pinapahirapang tao. Pinapahirapan! That's my week as a student. Thank you so much for listening, watching, and I'll see you soon in my next vlog. Bye-bye! Hi, I'm back again and again. And this is a week in my life as an Emilian student. Third week! This whole week is very tiring week. I will describe my week as overworked. This week, nakita ko yung mga weaknesses ko at narealize ko na okay lang maging mahina dahil yan ang mahirap para sa aking intindihin. And to be honest, hirap talaga akong ipakita sa iba yung kahinaan ko dahil nag-overthink ako na hala, baka gamitin nila sa akin yun para mapabagsak ako. Chares. Pero, mas pinakita sa akin ng realidad ang totoong buhay. At unti-unti ko na rin natatanggap ang katotohanan na okay lang may pakita ng kahinaan mo kung nahihirapan ka na. Ngunit hindi pwedeng sumuko, okay? Active listening ang akin natutunan sa skills na related to strand ko na humanities and social sciences. Dahil hindi lang mismo ako nakikinig, kundi ito rin na aking inuunawa at isinasabuhay. And that's my week as a student. Thank you so much for watching, listening, and I'll see you soon in my next vlog. Bye-bye! Hi, I'm back again and again and again. And this is a week in my life as an Emilian student. Fourth week! This whole week is very exhausting. I will describe it as torture week. This week ay sobrang grabe talaga. Yung pag-handle pa lang sa time management, napakahirap na. Kasi syempre, sa daming ginagawa sa school, sumabay pa ang gawain ko sa bahay at ang problema sa bahay. Pero syempre, alam ko ang priority ko o ang dapat kong unahin. Kaya naman ito, nakasurvive ako. Ngayong week, nakakapagod. Well, palagi naman. Pero ang mahalaga talaga, nandito ako na malaban pa rin. Tsaka yung sinasabuhay ko talaga yung sinasabi ni Sir Lazo at na-miss Con na always reflect. Wow. And that's my week as a student. Thank you so much for watching, listening, and I'll see you soon in my next vlog. Bye-bye! Hi, I'm back again and again and again and again. And this is a week in my life as an American student. 5th week! This whole week is very lovely week. Kung yung last week talagang exhausting, pero now, ang ganda ng week na to. I will describe it as lovely week. Dahil nga araw ng mga puso, nag-celebrate ako with my families and friends. Dahil nga wala kaming kadate, kaya naman sila lang din yung kadate ko. Pero grabe, sobrang dami kong ganap this week. Literal na nakakapagod, pero worth it. Kasi nga, bonding with families and friends. Kung sino-sino lang din yung nakakasalubong ako, which is before, takot talaga ako sa tao. Pero ngayon, hindi lang literal na na-express ko yung feelings ko, not only by actions but also by words. Sa loob ng 3 years namin magkakasama, ngayon ko lang naikwento sa kanila yung mga nangyari sa past ko, which is naging way yun para mas lumawak ang communication skills ko. And that's my week as a student. Thank you so much for watching, listening, and I'll see you soon in my next vlog. Bye-bye!